Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on steering around a corner in reverse. In this video, I'll be going over the specifics for steering around a corner while in the reverse gear. Now let's get right to it. I'll be demonstrating this on an automatic car, but by all means, if you're driving a manual car, you can take these instructions and just manipulate them a little bit to make sense of the gas and clutch pedal and the gas clutch balance. All right, first and foremost, I'm gonna go over the steering aspect of steering in reverse. And once I've gone over everything, I'll demonstrate myself doing it for you, going around this corner in this parking lot in reverse. So steering in reverse, your perspective should be looking in front of you. Now, obviously, you're going to be turned around when you're reversing, but your thought process of steering is just as if you were driving forward. And I'll tell you why. If you have the perspective of looking in front of you, when you take the steering wheel and you turn it to the left, if you're looking in front of you, the rear of your car is going to go to your left. The rear is going to go to your left when you're reversing and you've turned the wheel to the left. On the other hand, if you are steering to the right in reverse, the rear of your car is going to go to the right if you're looking in front of you. So the rear of my car is going to go this way, just like the steering wheel. So if you steer to the left, the rear of your car goes to the left if you're looking this way. If you steer to the right, the rear of your car goes to the right if you're looking in front of you. So that's steering, okay? Secondly, I want to go over looking around. As you're reversing, you're checking your mirrors, all of your mirrors, the three mirrors, you're checking both blind spots, and you're also turning around and looking all around the car and behind the car. It's important to look all around for safety. Safety is your number one concern when you're driving. The third thing that I want to talk about is signaling. Now, it's very simple. If you're turning the wheel to the left, you should be signaling to the left. If you're turning the wheel to the right, you should be signaling to the right. I am going to be reversing around a corner that is to my left. So I'm going to be turning the wheel to the left, and therefore I'm going to be signaling to the left. So basically your signal follows the wheel rotation. If you're turning the wheel to the left, your rear bumper is going to the left, and also you're using your left signal. If you're turning your steering wheel to the right, your rear bumper is going to the right, and therefore you're using your right signal. Very simple and straightforward. And the last thing, the fourth aspect, is straightening out. So once you've reversed around the corner, you have to straighten out. To straighten out, you're basically going to counter spin the wheel, meaning turn it back and then stop when your wheels are straight. So if I've turned the wheel to the left like this to reverse around a corner, and I've finished reversing around that corner, I can straighten the wheel out. I'm going to turn it back the same number of times that I've turned it to one side. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and demonstrate this, because I know I've done enough speaking. Put my seatbelt on, put the car in reverse, put the parking brake down. I'm going to start moving backwards. Then I'm going to signal. I'm going to continue looking around, and I'm going to turn my wheel to reverse around that corner, and then I'll straighten out. So we're good to go. No pedestrians, no traffic. I'm making my way to that corner. All right. Making my way to the corner, slowly but surely. Reversing isn't about speed, it's about nice and slowly but surely movements. I'm close to the corner now. I'm actually going to put my my left signal on to let all the other imaginary drivers around me know that I'm reversing to the left. Just like that, because there's no drivers or pedestrians around me. Now, I'm starting to turn my wheel a little bit. And I'm just turning it a bit to get a gauge for where I am with regards to the corner. And now, as I'm going around the corner right now, I'm also looking at my mirrors, my side mirrors, to see where the back corners of my car are. So I'm still reversing while the wheel is turned like this. So it's turned almost a full turn pretty much. Now I'm turning it a full turn. And once I get to the point like right now, my car has now reversed around the corner and it's straight. It's parallel with the next part that I want to be on. So now I'm going to straighten the wheel out. My signal goes off because I'm not turning anymore. And I just continue reversing backwards, just like that, continually looking around. Literally that simple. What we're going to do, sorry, I'm still fighting a cold. Just fighting a cold over here. I'm going to go ahead and try one more time. So, come to a complete stop. We're going to do a little bit faster this time. Less explaining, more demonstrating. Put it in reverse. Start making our way back using all of my mirrors, looking all around the corners, the car itself, put my left signal on, start to turn the steering wheel just a little bit more, and now I'm starting to look at and examine my side mirrors to see where the rear corners of my car are, to gauge how much I need to turn the wheel. Now, continue turning. I'm going to crank that wheel to just complete this turn, and then now straighten the wheel out and continue reversing around this corner. And it's literally that simple. That is steering around a corner in reverse. A simple driving lesson. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other tips for steering around the corner in reverse? Let me know down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.